Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Journey. The rest of the world that car is known as Fiat Freemont. And we'll show you where to find the fuse for your radiator cooling fan. Okay, your radiator fan. Now if your fan doesn't work, your car might overheat. Your air conditioner will not work as well because the car will get hot, okay, and you will tell it not to turn the AC on. So if your AC doesn't work, check that fuse as well. Now, the radiator fan, guys, okay, doesn't matter which engine you have, okay, that's completely irrelevant. The fuse is the same, okay, it's this one right here. This is your radiator fan resistor there as well, but it doesn't control so many things as the fuse. So if the fuse doesn't work, your fan will not work. Now, we have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car. More than 200 videos, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. You have two fuse boxes, one is under the hood, one is behind the glove box. Now we need to go ahead, guys, okay, and find the fuse box under the hood. Okay, it's this one here. So how you remove it, you can see these two things, squish them towards each other, pull it out. If you flip it this way, this layout will correspond to the layout here. We need to find fuse number 148. Okay, 148, guys. Okay, this is the fuse for the radiator fan. And this thing is super hard to read. That's why we made the video as well. You can see it goes 146, 147. Then it's all weird. Okay, and you don't see 148. It's all the way right here in the corner, guys. Okay, it's this little fuse. Okay, right there, 40 amp fuse. So, how you guys remove that fuse now? We need to use the fuse puller, but if you're not able to remove it, you might need to remove, okay, the relay to get to it. So let's see if we'll be able to get, no. Maybe this way. Okay, let's see. Okay, pull it out, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and grab the new one quick, guys. Okay, right there. You can check out where we get them from in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. This is the new one. We'll test it and show you that it's good. Okay, all we need to do, get a voltmeter, set it on continuity, and if the fuse is good, it will make connection. So it's like touching these two LEDs together and it will go close to 0. So if it's not good, you'll see a 1. You can see the new fuse, amazing. So all we have to do now, guys, okay, align everything here, okay, and push it in like that. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.